This is the most important feature of the entire contract. Depending on how much money is already in place, it changes the interest rate. Otherwise, there are no incentives whatsoever to send money as the first one. This is probably the biggest innovation. This is about aligning incentives. If the rational game is to wait till last moment, I decided to change the game. This is the biggest feature. Hello guys, this is Mars and this is metagame Fork the World hackathon submission. At first I put a Medium article together explaining what I want to accomplish, what are the principles, how it works, multiple features, and the overarching principle of simplicity. Right now I am just working on the README, finishing touches. Soon when I finish I will upload this video and I will show you how it works. First of all, don't try this on mainnet. This is absolutely totally not audited. It's not safe to use it. But on a testnet, hell yeah. This is the assurance contract that there are plenty of lines of code here because it uses plenty of libraries, but I will show you in the Visual Studio Code. It's not that bad actually, 100 lines. And there are two main functions. One is a receive fallback function that allows anyone to send if into the contract. And another one is manual deposit, and you pass a proof, an IPF hash. I'll just show you. Here is this assurance contract, list of transactions, and I think that this transaction here, I did the manual deposit, decode. Here you have the IPFS hash, boom, and here is the proof of submission. This is important because on BaseX Island we have the bank account open, and I don't want to say that you can send only crypto. Of course, crypto has loads of benefits and you can literally buy crypto directly from my website. At the same time, it is okay to use traditional banking system. It is completely fine. Another useful feature of the assurance contract is the accrue interest. Because the interest is added in real time, let's just do it. I click here, write, okay, I need to connect, okay, write, high gas prices, boom, and in a few moments, as this transaction is confirmed, you will see that BSXO, BaseX operations tokens were generated. This is what happened a few moments ago. Before this video, I tried the function and it works. There is a tiny error, which is if the amount is so little, because I'm using Chainlink oracles to generate the price, I made some rounding errors. So, as I said, it's not production ready. Okay, I will reload. 25 minutes ago. Whoa. Yeah, now we get it. And you will see, yes, interest in real time and the tiny minuscule amounts. Well, that's something to be aware of. Multiple limitations. This is not production ready code. It is more of a proof of concept, allowing people to send both ETH directly as well manual deposit with the IPFS hash of a proof, calculating the value, then calculating the interest. You can ask me, why are you doing this? This is my summary of my work. I'm working towards changing the messaging in media, changing the law, books, conferences, events, podcasts. I am working towards total rebuild of the humanity. The island itself is experiencing a certain pivot from island to building homes, to building cities, to building special economic zones. If the jurisdiction goes digital, you can decentralize it. If you can have a network of special economic zones. I mean, it is totally attainable. I can see it coming to fruition. Previously, I was working on the Estonia DAO, P2P personal tokens, UBI, blockchain. It is literally a paradigm shift. It is a paradigm shift. So this assurance contract, well, I did my best during this hackathon, but my headspace is not focused on the actual code. I am much more towards usability, user experience, game theory, building alliances, movement of movements, network of networks. But I still write some code. Writing code is a good skill. I encourage you to actually run the tests. Here I did some, this is the most advanced test with loads of things going on. One guy deposits $50,000, another one 50 Ether. Then we calculate the interest, we check the balance. Then the guy who put the dollars puts Ether, the guy who puts Ether puts dollars, we change the price, we increase the time, 10 days. We do some math and it's actually working. It's magical. I am excited that I can show you this project. Apologies if the quality of the video is not the best. Apologies if the quality of the code is not the best. This is the hackathon and you can work with me. You can work with me on this project. You can work with me on other projects and I'm sending much love. See you later.